one bedroom Grand Floridian Villa Suite.
Entering the unit, you see a door to the right to an adjacent unit, and then looking to your left is the hallway to the main bathroom. After walking in, the first thing you'll see is the dining room table with the wraparound seating, which was really comfy, along with a few chairs. Then to your left is the full-size kitchen that has a sink, a coffee maker, a toaster, several shelves to hold plates, along with a microwave and a stove, along with additional shelving. Next to that is the full-size fridge with a freezer underneath. The fridge is spacious, holds enough that you need. Next to the kitchen is the living room. The living room has a end table and a couch. The one bedroom villa does come with a sofa bed, as you can see there. Along with a TV and a Murphy bed directly underneath, which pulls down. The living room also has a balcony with a lake view, and it also has the entrance to the master bedroom that you can see here. The master bedroom has an armchair and lamp next to the king-size bed, along with a TV and an additional set of drawers. It also has its own private balcony. The balcony does have a set of chairs for you to enjoy while taking a view of the lake. The master bedroom comes with a walk-in closet that has additional bedding, a safe, and some robes. The master bedroom has its own entrance to the bathroom. The bathroom has a whirlpool jacuzzi tub, along with a sink, and directly above the sink is a mirror with a TV built in. The bathroom has plenty of lighting and has an additional toilet with a door for additional privacy. Then from here you can see the standing shower. This is a fairly large shower, really nice. It also has a bench to sit on, and as you can see, it is a large shower that's really nice. Next to that is the rest of the bathroom coming in from the other direction with a mirror. Unfortunately, this one does not have a TV in it, and this brings us back to where we started at the beginning of the room. From here you can see the standing washer and dryer. They did provide the bounce dryer sheets. And then there is a closet that has cleaning supplies. As you can see, it has an iron, a laundry basket, a vacuum, dustpan, broom, etc. And that would conclude our tour of the one bedroom villa at the Grand Floridian with the lakeside view.